I think something that's really important is to grow things you like. I don't know why people get so hung up on, I have to grow X, Y, or Z. I do know why. It's because it's what gets promoted a lot. Everyone needs a salsa garden and onions and tomatoes and garlic. And I think those are great things, but maybe you don't like any of those things. Maybe you are not going to eat any of those things. Maybe your neighbors have gotten all of those things from you and they won't answer the door anymore because you've given them too many. That's not sustainable. That's not efficient. And it turns out that we have a big problem with food waste here in the United States. Something like 40% of the food produced in the US gets wasted. That also includes your backyard. We don't put ourselves in these pictures. We're thinking big food systems. But if you grow something and you don't eat it and you throw it away, that's food waste. And I think that is so important to understand. So grow things you are actually going to use or know where you're going to go with them. Even if you don't like tomatoes, if you have a parent or a friend or a neighbor that does, and you just want the experience of growing them, that's fine. Just know where it's going to go.